This is the GoSports 40-inch tabletop air hockey. Now this thing is super cool. It's a really cheap and fun way to get your hands on an air hockey table. And it's not perfect, but it does work pretty well. So let me give you a closer look at it. All right, so here is the box it comes in. It's this large flat box. And opening this up, looks like it is pretty well packaged inside here. And it comes mostly assembled right out of the box. All you have to do is kind of attach each side of the goalie boxes. And then there's also some short legs, which aren't really necessary, but you can attach them to the sides if you want to. And then here's what it looks like all put together. Nice solid table. It's made from MDF with a sort of vinyl type wrap on it. And they have this wood printing on it. Looks pretty cool. Then on all four corners, there are these plastic bumpers. They're nicely curved and they're actually flush with the boards here, so the pucks will nicely roll around the corners. And it's actually super solid. My table is wobbling a little bit, but the actual air hockey table itself is rock solid. But anyway, then on each side there are these plastic goal boxes with these scorekeepers on them. And these work pretty well. Once you toss a puck in, it kind of holds them out at an angle, so they're very easy to grab on and pull out. And now taking a look at the underside, you can see a little better how it's made. There is a fan in the center. Nice long cord hooked up to that with a switch to turn it on and off. There's also some foam pads on the legs, and that really helps hold this thing in place when you're playing with it. But let me go ahead, turn this thing on, and show you how it works. Once turned on, of course, the fan blows air, and it comes out all of these holes. And it works relatively well. It keeps the puck gliding pretty nicely for the most part. And just overall, for a small tabletop air hockey table, I'd say this works pretty well. The pucks bounce off all of the sides very nicely. They roll around the corners pretty well. Of course, they are pretty small, but it's a good size for the table. And like I said, pretty good gameplay. This is a lot of fun. Definitely not comparable to like a full-size table, but for a small portable table that you can easily pick up and take with you or store away very easily, I think this is great. Definitely a fun game to pull out on like a birthday or a party or something. I think that would be super cool. And for the price, I really don't think you can go wrong with this. Super fun table. It works great.